Welcome all. In this video we will learn about algorithm for push, that means insert operation on queue. So in previous video we have already learned insert and delete operation for queue. So in this video we will go into the detail of algorithm for only push operation. So initially I am taking for empty queue first and rear point to value -1. So that will looks like f and r is equal to -1. As we know, front will manage the to perform delete operation and rear will manage the insert operation in queue. So initially front and rear will be -1 in case of empty queue. So f and r will -1, and to perform push operation in queue, let us take a function value. So here we will take q for to indicate our queue. Okay, then the front to manage the delete operation and rear to manage the insert operation, and x will be inserted in this algorithm as a value. So this is our recursion function. So first step for algorithm, step 1, if the queue is filled, all the element is filled, so we cannot perform any insert operation. So in this case we need to check for overflow. So here check for overflow. So how we will check overflow? So if rear will pointing to the 4, or in this case we have taken size of q is equal to 5, but index go up to the 4. So if our rear is here, we cannot insert any other element. So if r is greater than or equal to n minus 1, so in this case then we cannot perform insert operation. So simple write q is overflow, q is overflow, and exit from the algorithm. So this is for overflow condition. Now if the queue is not overflow, so we can perform insert operation. So here we will take value of x is equal to 10 to insert in this queue. So we will perform insert operation. So to perform insert operation, initially r pointing to -1. So if you want to take it at place 0, we need to increment our rear pointer. So now our rear pointer is pointing to this position. So for that we need to increment rear. So in step 2 I will increment a rear pointer. So rear r is equal to r plus 1. So this is our step 2. So r is ready to insert element. So in step 3 we will perform insert operation. Okay, so that is perform insertion. So where it will be inserted? So q for our that is q pointing to the rear position. At that place we will insert value of x. So this is our insertion operation. Now step 4 is also important. So keep in mind that if our queue is initially empty and we have inserted our first element, so 10 will come here. So first our element need to point, first pointer need to point also here, because that is our first element. So if the front is set properly, okay, so we need to perform that operation also. So is front set properly. So if front pointing to -1, then we need to increment by 1. So if front is equal to -1, in that case then we need to increment front is equal to front plus 1, and we will exit from the algorithm. So this is our step 4. So if front is set to -1, then we will set to, that is f plus 1, or you can say, you can directly set f is equal to 0 if position to -1. So now if any element comes, only rear element or rear pointer will be incremented. Okay, so in step 5 we will finish our algorithm and we will exit from the algorithm. Okay, so this is explanation of insert operation in queue and algorithm in detail. So thank you all.